My name is Alan Carpenter, Lieutenant with the Hagerstown Fire Department Fire Marshal's Office.
And I'm Deputy State Fire Marshal Deanna Pelton. We're here to remind you that every year fireworks cause injuries, house fires, and property damage.
The good news is that many of these incidents are preventable if you just know Maryland fireworks laws and practice safe behavior.
One of the most common misconceptions is that all of the fireworks sold in neighboring states are legal to use in Maryland. That's just simply not true.
In Maryland, only a limited number of consumer sparkling devices are legal to use without a permit. Let's talk about some.
Gold label sparklers that do not contain chlorates or perchlorates. Ground-based sparkling devices that remain on the ground and produce sparks but do not explode into the air. Novelty items such as party poppers, snap pops, and snakes. If a firework launches into the air and explodes or moves along the ground under its own power, it is generally illegal to possess and use in the state of Maryland, and it requires a permit from the Office of the State Fire Marshal. Some examples would be bottle rockets, Roman candles, firecrackers, cherry bombs and M80s, mortars and skyrockets. Many of these products are purchased out of state and brought back into Maryland to be used, but possessing them and using them are still illegal.
If law enforcement or fire officials encounter illegal fireworks, they're subject to immediate confiscation. Additionally, individuals found possessing or using these fireworks may be subject to a $250 civil citation for each item. That means a single package of fireworks containing multiple items may be subject to significant fines.
These laws were put in place to keep our community safe, to prevent injuries, fires, and property damage. Instead of risking confiscation, fines, property damage, or criminal charges, we encourage everyone to use legal ground-based sparkling devices or attend a professional permitted fireworks display.
Even legal sparkling devices can cause serious injuries and fires if they are used carelessly. If you choose to use legal sparklers or ground-based sparkling devices,
always read and follow the manufacturer's instructions.
Only use sparkling devices outdoors in a clear area away from homes, vehicles, dry grass, and other combustible materials.
Keep children at a safe distance. Sparklers may look harmless, but they burn at extremely high temperatures and can cause severe burns in seconds. Adult supervision is essential.
Have a water source nearby, such as a garden hose or a bucket of water, before lighting any sparkling devices.
Never hold ground-based fireworks in your hand and never attempt to relight a malfunctioning device.
Light only one device at a time and move away quickly after ignition.
Never use fireworks while impaired by alcohol or drugs.
Dispose of used sparkling devices properly by soaking them in water before placing them in the trash.
Before using legal ground-based sparklers, be mindful of your neighbors and your surroundings.
Loud noises can frighten pets, young children, older adults, and military veterans suffering from PTSD. Fireworks can also spark brush fires, cause property damage, and create dangerous situations for emergency responders. The safest way to enjoy fireworks is to attend a professionally permitted public display conducted by licensed fireworks operators.
From all of us at Hagerstown Fire Department and the Office of the State Fire Marshal, we wish you a safe and enjoyable celebration.
Use fireworks responsibly.
And remember, if it explodes or launches, it's probably illegal in the state of Maryland.